Hello! Maybe you have been looking into getting a trust, or you have a trust now and you've heard the term funding a trust and it's a bit confusing and it doesn't make any sense. Well, you're not alone. Over the last couple of days I've gotten questions from about 3 or 4 clients regarding why do we use the words funding a trust? What the heck does that mean? Well, to say it as short and simple as I possibly can, once you've created your trust, you retitle your assets into the name of the trust with you as the trustee. And as I'm saying that, it sounds like that might be a little bit of a long-winded answer. Basically, if you have a piece of property, whether it be a ring, a car, or real estate, you're going to be transferring the ownership from you personally into the name of your trust, and your trust then will be the legal owner. And the reason that we do that is that while you're alive and well and good, you are serving as trustee, so you will be managing those assets inside of the trust. And if anything were to happen to you, a successor trustee would step in, the trust would still own those assets, and the successor trustee could manage them. So when we're talking about funding, there's different methods of doing the transfer into your trust. For real property, it involves creating a deed and recording that in the county where the property is at. When we're talking about a bank account or an investment account, we're talking about changing the account card down at the bank or with Charles Schwab or whoever your investment facility is, changing the name of the account to the name of your new trust and adding you on as a signer on that account as the trustee. When we're talking about furniture, clothes, everything else that doesn't have title to it, when you signed your trust document or when you sign your new trust document, your attorney should also have you sign what's called an assignment of personal property, which will transfer all of that immediately into the name of your trust and then can be managed that way. Now, when we talk about accounts that have beneficiary designations, we have to be a little bit more careful about that. We do not, for instance, on retirement accounts, we do not want to change the ownership of the account because that'll trigger a taxable event. What we want to do is, based upon the type of trust that you've set up, how you have your assets paying out to your beneficiaries, whether they are in trusts to them and then cascading trusts down to further generations, or whether or not you're having it paid out to them outright. You will be doing new beneficiary designations for your IRAs, perhaps an annuity, and other accounts like that where we don't or can't change ownership of the account. We'll do it through a beneficiary designation to avoid the probate. So in essence, funding a trust is really just transferring title of your assets into the name of your trust, so that if down the road you're unable to manage your assets, you can step aside as trustee, and your successor trustee can step in and manage those assets for you. And in case you don't know, I am Don Rolfe. I'm the owner and founder of Northwest Legal Planning, an estate planning and probate law firm now located in West Linn, Oregon, and serving the greater Portland metro area. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I'm always checking back to Facebook like everyone, and if I can, I'll answer your question there. Or if you want to if you have questions that you think might be more suited to having a private conversation, you can head over to nwoplanning.com and schedule a free 30-minute phone call with me or in-person consultation, and I would be happy to answer your questions there. Until next time, take care.